In this video, I'm going to show you where to find the WPS button on your Xfinity Gateway, explain what it does, and how to use it safely. The WPS button, short for Wi-Fi Protected Setup, allows you to connect compatible devices to your Wi-Fi without typing in the password. On most Xfinity gateways, the WPS button is located on the top or back of the unit, marked with two curved arrows forming a circle or labeled WPS. To use it, first make sure the device you want to connect supports WPS. On that device, start the WPS connection process. This is usually found in the Wi-Fi settings. Then, press and hold the WPS button on your gateway for about 2 seconds. The WPS light will start blinking, meaning it's ready to pair. Within 2 minutes, your device should connect automatically to your Wi-Fi network. For security, remember that WPS has some vulnerabilities. It's convenient, but hackers can exploit it if they're close enough to your network. If you only use WPS occasionally, disable it in your gateway's admin settings when you're done. You can log into the admin tool by entering the gateway's IP address in your browser. If WPS pairing fails, try moving the device closer to the gateway and repeat the process. Make sure you're within range and the device supports the same Wi-Fi band as your network. Using the WPS button is quick, but always weigh the convenience against the potential security risks. A strong password is still the safest way to protect your network. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.